What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Coffee with Katie. This is this new video series, I guess, I'm trying to start. I want to talk about like positive things that are going on because this is a very overwhelming teaching time for students, for teachers, for everything. So I want to use this video to just kind of highlight some quick positive things in case you need a little pick-me-up in your week. And who doesn't love coffee? Because honestly, this is my second cup today. I hate to admit that because I really try to only have one cup a day. Not try, succeed, but I had to get up really early this morning, so we're on cup number 2. Please tell me I'm not alone. Anyway, on this week of Coffee with Katie, I want to highlight 3 awesome distance learning resources that I am using this year. They are really the only 3 things that I have bought new. Everything else I've either looked at people's stuff on Instagram and made my own, or kind of revamped things that I usually use in the classroom. So the first one I posted, I've actually talked about most of these on my Instagram, I believe. So if you're not following me there at missklein.teaches, please go check it out. I will be sharing on there any more resources that I add in, which I'm sure there will be more. And I'll also share any cool ones that I see from other people that I'm following. Anyway, let's talk about those 3 resources. Number 1, Virtual Distance Learning Rules Toolkit. And this was put out by A Touch of Class Teaching. Her name is Stephanie Nash. So if you want to find her, TPT. And by the way, everything will be linked down below. So go down below, go to the link and support these people because their resources are gold. So what is the rules toolkit? Well, the reason that this caught my eye when I saw it on Instagram is I printed them on cardstock, I glued them to popsicle sticks, and these will be little rules and reminders that I can show during my live sessions. I was so excited. Some of my favorites, I can remind them, square up your screen, make sure I can see your face. If somebody's talking, mute please. These are great because in my lesson, I don't have to stop necessarily. I can hold it up and remind them, mute please, while I'm still talking. There were these adorable incorrect and correct. So the kids have some whiteboard sleeves that they can use at home. So when I ask a question and they show me answers, I can show correct or incorrect, or I can ask them to show me with their thumbs and I can say incorrect or correct. Ooh, it's already been a long morning. These were awesome. It also came with this little poster. It says we're virtual learning stars, so I just printed that out and have it behind me. And then there were also cute poster reminders. So if at some point we go to a hybrid model, I love the idea of having those up in the classroom to remind the kids like, hey, when you go out, don't forget our rules for when you are virtual learning. Love that. Go check it out. Resource number 2. This one's going to be great because we've actually built a transition brain break time into our live session block. It's the Mindful Break Station. Shawanda Wasik, Upper Elementary Adventures. She's the one who created this, and I love it because there's breathing techniques, movement ones, there are stories. It just kind of gives the kids a break. So even if I don't use it in my live lessons, I can put it into their assignments to kind of force them to take a break in the middle of doing it. And it was very clean and calm looking. Like, I'm probably gonna need to use it, let's be honest. I'm really excited to try it. I want to use GoNoodle also, obviously. GoNoodle is what we use in the classroom, but I love the idea of mixing it up and not always going to GoNoodle because they tend to get bored of that if we do it every day. So to kind of alternate between GoNoodle and the Mindful Break Station, have that available on my page, everything, love it. So go check that one out too. The third resource and final resource is the assignment slides by Create, Teach, and Share. So last year, one of the things that we got parent feedback about at our school was that the parents wanted some sort of checklist to know what they were supposed to be doing because it was just confusing to figure out what was missing and what wasn't. So I had made a daily checklist, basically, that they would drag the check marks to the Google slide as they did the assignments. Well, I noticed by the end, because there were some things that I would have go on for multiple days. So if they finished it the first day, that was great, it was done, but they didn't necessarily know there were going to be more days to complete the assignment. Like writing things especially would go over the course of 2 or 3 days instead of just being a one-day thing. What I wanted to do this year was still have that daily checklist, but also have them kind of a week review so that they know what's coming that week or what assignments are going to stretch over several days, and they know how many days they have to pace that out. So these were gold because it has both. It has daily slides, it has weekly slides, there's a monthly look, which I won't be using the monthly one. I'm just going to have a regular calendar with our days off of school and regular due dates and things like that. But the week in advance, I loved that you could customize it by subject for each day if you wanted. I chose to do mine a little different. I'll insert a picture here. And it is more separated by what lessons do they need to complete, what assignments are they going to have that day, what times am I available, what times are they supposed to be logged on, and I was even able to put little icons of computers on what days they're supposed to be doing what computer programs. Those are the 3 amazing resources that I have found and will be using this year. They have made already my transition to distance learning so much better. I'm so excited. We start on Monday to introduce, so by the time you're seeing this, we have started, so I will update you on how those resources are working, but I think they're going to be amazing. I am so excited. If you have found any great resources that you're using, please leave them in the comments or head to my Instagram. You can comment on my post there and share so that we can see all those great resources. Go check out these ladies who posted these because they are game changers. I think they're going to be easy, quick. They were inexpensive because I know we don't have $1 million to spend, and I hope you guys love them. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and push like, and we will have a new episode coming next week along with some of my other videos that I have planned, so I'm really excited about that. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Drink your coffee and go take the day on. Love you guys. See you next time.